Okay, today we're here at the Panama factory of Ocean Builders. We'll start that again. We're at the Ocean Builders factory in Panama, and we're just going to go through what we've been doing the last few days with regards to making the roof section off the EcoPod. So I'm just going to do a 180 here. So what we've done first, we made this plug. So we made this plug and we made 3 sections for what we call moles. So we have one here, and we have another one here, and our third mole is right here. So out of these 3 moles, we're going to start making the actual roof sections. So we got 2 sections right here now, and we're just doing a final touch up on these here, just to give you a shape of what the roof section will look like. And then from this contour here, basically it's going to be a large roof flat section, which will be a water capture containment center unit. And basically there's going to be 28 of these sections that make up the roof. So that's what the fiberglass guys have been working on in the last couple of weeks, days here.